Reviving the Moon, a SpaceX Odyssey. Space exploration has taken an exciting turn with SpaceX leading the way. The moon is no longer a distant dream but a viable destination. With their advanced technology, SpaceX endeavors to make lunar landings a routine. Their revolutionary spacecraft, Starship, is key in this ambitious pursuit. Starship is not just another spaceship. It is designed to be fully reusable, radically cutting down costs and enabling regular lunar missions. And it's not just about landing. SpaceX envisions a lunar base, a stepping stone for even further exploration into our infinite universe. Challenging the norm, SpaceX propels us towards a new era of space exploration. Their daring goals promise a future where lunar landings are commonplace. Join SpaceX on this thrilling journey towards the moon. A new chapter in space exploration has begun, and it's time for us to write history together.